trying out the Mark 18. With this one, we have the Surefire small guy, the RC2 Mini. We got a fake back here, Somo gear. Pretty sure it'll hold up. Green version. We got the EOTech 1 dot. Also got the magnifier here. And we got a Daniel Defense upper. As you guys can see, Daniel Defense upper. And then the lower, we got a Colt here. M4 carbine. And then we got the B5 stock, traditional, American flag. Heck yeah. And we also got the light here. This is the Cloud Defense. One of the brightest ones I have. Super big, pretty heavy. But it'll probably withstand a lot. We got the switches here. The switches I'm not a big fan of, but you know, it is what it is. T-Rex sling. Can't go wrong. I've been having issues with this one cycling, so I added the suppressor to see if it would do better. We'll try it with it and without it. So we're gonna charge it up. See what this puppy can do. Wow. It's a lot of gas. It's cycling for sure. Might want to try it without the can. Can's already getting kind of hot. So see it without the can. Woo! A lot louder. Those rounds are just going. Definitely all the force going that way for sure. Definitely has some concussion. Concussion going on. I don't know if you guys can see. It's good. That's better right there. So we gotta make sure we need. So we'll try it with the suppressor now. Oh yeah. Gotta make sure it's open all the way. It's nice and tight. Clamps down. I don't want to fall it off. Here we go. Definitely less loud for sure. It's bad when it's loud. Here we go. And we're empty. Try another mag here. It's liking the P mags. We'll see if it likes these Dura mags. Metal. I think last time I was having some issues. Cycling. Got a lot of gas though. It's a gassy girl. If she's a girl. Try it with the laser. Oh, heard that one. Oh, hitting my camera. On my phone, that is. There we go. Pretty controllable, too. It's a lot of gas. But that's how it is. Try here. Try magnified. Even though we're super close. Does it? Mark 18. Should we turn all the sights off?
hot. But Mark 18, it's a good gun. Just make sure you don't burn yourself on the suppressor. As long as you can get the right bolt, get the right carrier, suppress it maybe. Yeah, great little gun.